guess who's back?
June 2024. Mid-election, and Nigel Farage enters the race to become an MP.
Thanks for coming, everybody.
And while he toured the nation persuading people to vote reform, en route to him, a county court judgment for an unpaid bill of £9,400, a county court judgment he says he knew nothing about until we told him today.
Nobody wants to have a CCJ on their credit file. It's basically when you haven't paid your debts. After that, they're probably going to send a few nasty letters to ask you to pay it. But if you still don't pay it, they're going to ask for a county court judgment, and that's something that's enforceable by law. It goes on the public record, and it's going to be there on your credit file for 6 years.
We do not know what the unpaid debt relates to. Nigel Farage says he doesn't either, and has instructed lawyers to apply to the court to try and have the CCJ set aside. In recent weeks, Mr Farage's finances have been under heightened scrutiny. Last month, it was revealed in May 2024, Nigel Farage received a £5 million gift from crypto billionaire Christopher Harborne. The Reform leader said, "This money was given to me so that I would be safe and secure for the rest of my life, and it was made before he intended to become an MP." Mr Harborne said it was because of my great admiration for decades of work he had done to achieve Brexit.
This was given to me on an unconditional basis, completely unconditional basis, but frankly, it was given as a reward for campaigning for Brexit for 27 years.
And it had no impact on your decision to come back into public life?
No.
But he who pays the piper picks the tune.
Hang on a second. I can't be bought by anybody.
It was then revealed on the 10th of May 2024, Mr Farage paid £1.4 million in cash for a Surrey home. Originally, Reform UK told the BBC he bought the home without a mortgage by using his fee from appearing on I'm a Celebrity, Get Me Out of Here. But when company accounts appear to suggest the income remained in his company after the house purchase, a spokesman for Mr Farage said anti-money laundering money checks for the property purchase were in March 2024 before he received the gift. Nigel has multiple sources of income, as you can see from his parliamentary register. And then on the 13th of June, midway through the 2024 election, this county court judgment entered against Mr Farage for a debt of £9,400. Not on the public record who filed it and for what. There was no connection between this CCJ and unrelated matters about Farage's personal finances, say Reform. A spokesperson for Mr Farage said it was served to an incorrect address, which is why it became a default judgment. They also said he has previously had to deal with, quote, nuisance debt claims that are passed by default after he has failed to receive correspondence about them.
So to be fair to him, is it completely feasible that this might have been issued to him and he had no idea about it? Well, that is possible, although, I don't know how many of us have got £10,000 nearly debt sitting in the background that we're not aware of.
This evening, a spokesperson for Labour said if this is how he handles his own affairs, the public can have no faith in his ability to manage the public finances if Reform won power. Mr Farage says he disputes the CCJ claim. It would be inappropriate to comment further.